Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE BLADE A71, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Now go to Clear Browsing Data and you will find here Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced you've got a few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just mark those that you want to remove, then pick the time range and select clear data. And that's it, that will be all. This is how you can clear browsing history. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.